Here is a detailed script for a video on no contact rule in relationships in English, including prompts for like, subscribe, and bell. OpeningScene.com, background music, soft visuals of someone reflecting a lone narrator, host. Have you ever wondered why the no contact rule is considered one of the most powerful tools in relationships? Today, we'll explore why stepping back can sometimes be the key to moving forward. Cut to text on screen. No contact rule. Narrator host. The no contact rule is simple. After a breakup or during relationship conflict, you intentionally stop all communication with your partner for a set period. This includes calls, texts, social media interactions, or even indirect contact. Visual. Someone putting away their phone and taking a deep breath. Narrator host. But why does it work? First, it gives you time and space to heal. After a breakup, emotions can cloud judgment. By creating distance, you regain clarity and perspective. Visual. Person, journaling, or meditating narrator, host. Second, it helps break the cycle of dependency. Constant contact can keep you emotionally tied to someone, even if the relationship isn't healthy. No contact allows you to rebuild your sense of self. Visual. Someone smiling while enjoying their hobbies. Narrator, host. Third, it can actually create space for reconciliation, but only if the relationship is worth salvaging. Absence can make both parties reflect on what truly matters. Visual. Split screen. One person alone reflecting. The other person also thinking. Narrator, host. Now, the no contact rule isn't about playing games. It's about self-respect, healing, and clarity. Here's how to do it effectively. Text overlay. How to apply the no contact rule. 1. Set a time frame. Start with 30 days. Use this time to focus on yourself. 2. Remove temptations. Avoid checking their social media or contacting them. 3. Stay busy. Reconnect with hobbies, friends, or new experiences. 4. Reflect and grow. Understand what went wrong and how you can improve yourself. Visual. Person going out with friends, exercising, smiling. Narrator and host. Remember, the no contact rule is not a magic trick. It's a tool for self-growth, clarity, and emotional balance. Whether the relationship is over or it's an opportunity to rekindle, distance often reveals the truth. EndingScene.com, uplifting music, person looking hopeful. Narrator and host. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more relationship insights. Your journey to emotional strength starts with a single step. Screen text, like, subscribe, bell. If you want, I can also create a shorter 2 to 3 minute punchy version optimized for YouTube Shorts or Reels with the same no contact rule theme. This version would be snappier and more engaging for quick views. Do you want me to make that version too?